This is My Benefits, the online platform available through the website or the My Benefits app on your phone. Today I will be demonstrating some of the main use cases through the app. First things first, click on the app, and if you have not already logged in, it is important to do so by entering your user ID alongside your password and selecting Login. Make sure to consent to the terms of use and press Accept. On the home screen, you can view your recent claims and their progress by scrolling down. You can navigate to different areas of the platform by clicking the menu drop-down at the top left of the screen and scrolling to your chosen section. Under Profile on the drop-down menu, you can access your personal information by selecting the category you want to review, such as beneficiaries and dependents, to ensure it's up to date. By going to Direct Deposit under Profile, you are able to set up or update direct deposit information. By selecting the Overview section under the menu and clicking the arrow next to the benefit you want to review, you can view the full details of your coverage. By selecting ID cards, you can download or email your benefits cards for both you and your spouse. By going to Travel Letter under Benefits in the drop-down menu, you can create a travel letter that details your coverage and insurance information when traveling as an additional precaution. Next, we'll show you how to submit a claim if your provider does not do so directly. From the drop-down menu, select Submit a Claim/Estimate under Claims. Start by confirming your direct deposit information by clicking Next. Agree to the terms and conditions by selecting I agree at the bottom of the page. Then, pick whether you want to submit a claim or estimate and proceed to the following page. Now you must choose the patient under your benefit plan who the claim is for, and continue to the subsequent section. On this page, you must fill in the service or product supplied and answer yes or no to each of the prompts. Continue and input the service date, type, and total amount charged, proceeding to the subsequent section when you are finished. Fill in the provider information or select one of your recent providers, then continue to the next page. Under this section, you can review your claim, and if all the information is correct, you can click Submit at the bottom of the screen. Additionally, please have a receipt ready and take or attach a photo of it to your claim. Once this is done, you can select Complete Claim at the bottom of the screen. You will receive confirmation after submitting and can click Done to return to your home screen. In this platform, you can also monitor your usage by clicking on Usage under Claims in the drop-down menu. This is where you can check how much you have left for any benefits, including your healthcare spending accounts, should you have one set up. You can navigate between yourself and dependents at the top of the page. This platform is also where you can access some of your health and wellness services, such as Teladoc, Pocket Pills, and Arcora. These services encompass mental health, virtual medical services, and additional supports, which you can view by selecting the corresponding category at the top of the Health and Wellness screen. There is additional information on these services if you scroll down to the bottom of the All Services tab of Health and Wellness. The My Benefits app also includes some informational videos about your benefits, which you can access through the drop-down menu. As an additional benefit to being enrolled in a group, you have access to personal benefits. By clicking Switch to Personal Benefits, you can explore increasing coverage on the personal side. Here you are able to apply for further life insurance coverage or explore other benefits like trip cancellation and visitors to Canada. Personal top-ups are also available for travel, critical illness, and more.